Hello guys, 안녕하세요. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Bomi from KajaKorea. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to say sorry in Korean from the most formal way to the most casual one. There are 4 different levels you need to know. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any lessons. Alright, let's get started. First, we have 죄송합니다. This is the most formal and respectful way to say sorry. You use it with strangers or older people, your boss or your teacher, basically anyone you need to show respect to. It's also what you would say in public announcements or official setting. 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. Next, we have 죄송해요. This is still polite, but a little bit less formal. You can use it with strangers who are similar age with yours, or in lighter situations where 죄송합니다 might feel a little bit heavy. It's respectful but slightly more relaxed. 죄송해요. 죄송해요. Alright, then comes 미안해요. Now we're moving into a more casual. It's still polite, but much softer and more commonly used in everyday situation. With friends or coworkers or people you're close to. 미안해요. 미안해요. And finally, we have 미안해. This is the informal way to say sorry. You use it with close friends, younger people, or anyone you're speaking to casually in 반말. 미안해. 미안해. So, 4 ways to say sorry in Korean. 죄송합니다. 죄송해요. 미안해요. 미안해. From very formal to very casual. Now you know how to adjust your apology depending on who you are talking to. Which one do you hear most in K-drama or Korean contents? Let me know in the comments. And you can find more lessons in our website, KajaKorea.com. I'll leave the link in the description box. Alright, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. 다음에 봐요.